Well, so far it's shaping up to be a pretty hot late spring, early summer for Bitcoin, with the cryptocurrency or commodity, whatever you want to call it, just inches from hitting 9,000 for the first time since last April. Bitcoin is up nearly 130% this year, investors dipping their toes back into the crypto market. But is the Bitcoin boom back for real? Or really, Tim, is this kind of a case of investor FOMO, fear of missing out, trading, currency fears over the trade war?
I think there's a little bit of everything in here for people, including, and Brian talked about last week, there's even some supply dynamics here, which have outstanding supply be half of what it was. I think you had the conference here 2 weeks ago. You had every Lambo or now Volkswagen driving crypto person. And you also have a dynamic where we are seeing gold, we are seeing other kind of forms of flight to safety rallying. Look at dollar yen. Look at what we're talking about in bond yields. So it makes some sense. And technically, frankly, you got to a place where really you had driven away all the actual sellers in the market.
We know how much demand comes from Asia, and one of the wonkiest but most interesting WBI wonky but interesting charts out there may be the Chinese yuan versus Bitcoin, because it does this.
Inverted. This was from Top Gun. We were inverted, and then you remember that whole scene? Yeah. Goose and
fly with me. You can fly with me anytime.
I'm the wrong person to speak to Bitcoin, but I'll say this: if you didn't have a name in front of it, just looked at the chart, you would say this stock is broken through key resistance on the upside. It goes higher.
By the way, Ether up 220% this year, and Litecoin, or off its lows in December, Litecoin's up 440%.
Woo! By the way, there's a reason why
sell
Asia
the house,
called
sell the car, sell the kids, buy Litecoin.